broke because they don't earn enough. But that's not always the truth. The real reason many people stay broke isn't income, it's their habits. Silent, dangerous money habits that slowly drain your bank account without you even realizing it. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 powerful money habits that keep people broke and how to break free from them starting today. Stick around till the end because habit number 5 is one that keeps millions of people stuck in a cycle of financial stress for years. Welcome to The Budget Plug, your faceless source for practical money advice and everyday finance wisdom. Whether you're living paycheck to paycheck, trying to start saving, or building toward financial independence, the first step is awareness. Let's break down these 5 money habits together and get you on the path to long-term financial peace. Habit number 1, spending without a budget. Let's be real, if you don't tell your money where to go, it will vanish. So many people earn decent money, maybe $300 a week, maybe $2,000 a month, and still feel broke by the 10th of the month. Why? Because they don't have a budget. They spend based on mood, pressure, or habits. A coffee here, a lunch out there, and before you know it, your account is empty and you're wondering what happened. A budget doesn't have to be complicated. It's just a simple plan that tells your money where to go. Start by listing your monthly income. Subtract your fixed expenses like rent, bills, and groceries. Then assign limits to what's left for fun, savings, and emergencies. Even a basic plan will change your life because now you're in control, not your impulses, not your emotions, you. Habit number 2, impulse spending. Picture this. You walk into a store to buy shampoo and you walk out with snacks, socks, a new gadget, and some candles you didn't plan to buy. That's impulse spending, and it's draining your future. It feels harmless in the moment. $5 here, $15 there, but over time, that's hundreds of dollars every month gone on things you didn't need and probably don't even use. The solution? Pause before you buy. Use the 24-hour rule. If it wasn't on your list, wait a day. Give yourself time to think. Most of the time, you'll realize you don't actually need it. And if you do still want it after a day, at least you'll buy with intention, not emotion. Habit number 3, borrowing to impress others. This one is painful and common. Many people borrow money or max out credit cards just to maintain a lifestyle they can't afford. That new iPhone, bought on credit. The weekend trip, paid with borrowed cash. Designer shoes, swiped on a high-interest card. Here's the harsh truth. No one remembers what you wore or where you went last month, but your debt does. It follows you. Instead of borrowing to look rich, borrow, if ever, to grow. Borrow to start a small business, to invest in a course, to buy tools that bring returns. Never borrow to impress. Always borrow to improve. Habit number 4, saving last instead of saving first. Most people try to save after they've already spent. The problem? There's usually nothing left. That's why one of the smartest habits you can build is to pay yourself first. Before the bills, before the shopping, before anything, set aside a portion of your income. Even if it's just $20, even if it's just $5. Make it automatic. Use a savings app or a separate bank account. The goal is consistency, not perfection. Over time, these small amounts add up, and more importantly, you begin to build a habit, a mindset that tells your money, I'm in charge now. The earlier you build this, the faster your financial stress disappears. Habit number 5, believing it's too late to change. One of the most dangerous money habits isn't even about dollars, it's about mindset. It's the belief that I'm too broke to save, or I'll start next year, or it's too late for me. But that's a lie, and it keeps millions of people stuck. You don't need to be rich to take control of your finances. You just need to start. Start tracking your expenses. Start learning. Start saving $1 at a time if that's all you can. What matters isn't how much you start with, it's that you start. The earlier you take small steps, the sooner you'll see real progress. Wealth isn't built overnight, it's built one good habit at a time. Final thoughts. Let's quickly recap. Spending without a plan, impulse purchases, borrowing to impress, saving last instead of first, and the belief that it's too late. These 5 habits are silent but powerful. The good news, you can break them, starting today. You don't need a raise to get richer, you need a mindset shift, a new system, and discipline. Which of these habits do you struggle with the most? Drop it in the comments. Your honesty might help someone else too. If you found value